Three G3 rifles and 35 rounds of ammunition that were stolen from Cameroon AP camp in Nandi South April this year have been recovered. Several arrests have also been made by DCI detectives from Nandi Hills. The recovery was made possible by intelligence from phone data analysis conducted by Criminal Intelligence Bureau officers at DCI headquarters in Nairobi. Detectives conducted an overnight operation in Uasin Gishu, Nandi and Kakamega counties that led to the arrest of the prime suspect, 39-year-old Frederick Hamisi Shivanda, who led them to his accomplices. The rifles were buried in 3 different locations, including a maize plantation in Nandi and an abandoned house in Uasin Gishu.